Good Wednesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for April 9th, 2014. And today we're going to have kind of an in-between day. Normal highs for this time of year are running in the mid to upper 50s to near 60 across the majority of area, and that is exactly what you're going to get today. So the reason you're going to have the temperatures held down in check here, still have high pressure sitting way out to the west here. We have the exiting low pressure system way offshore. That's off the map here. That is the storm that affected us yesterday, but we had, or at least exited early yesterday. But this system is now well offshore. High pressure is poised to move in, but we still have a wind flow out of here, out of the north and northwest, and that's going to allow some, seasonably chilly temperatures today. So not cold by any stretch of the imagination. We'll have a little bit of a breeze, not quite as bad as yesterday was, but will be a breeze out of the northwest, probably about 10 to 15 miles per hour, as opposed to those wind gusts that were well over 25 miles an hour yesterday. It will die down somewhat today. Again, temperatures near normal, but no precipitation is expected today. We're going to go a little bit further in time here, and we're going to go straight ahead to Thursday. Now, Thursday, that same high pressure that was poised over here over the Tennessee Valley has now moved over here offshore, and it's because of that there is a return flow around this high pressure that is counterclockwise, and it's going to send winds out of the southwest. Combine that with an approaching cold front that's going to make the winds out of the southwest even stronger. So you will have a little bit of stronger winds on Thursday, but you're going to have temperatures that are going to climb well into the 60s, and in some places down here by Philadelphia and such, those places will be in the upper 60s and near 70. I would not be surprised to see a 70-degree reading down towards the Philadelphia metro area, down to Dover and interior South Jersey. Would not be surprised at all to see 70 degrees on Thursday. So it's going to be a very nice day on Thursday, and I would say this would be the perfect day as far as temperatures go and weather, because we're not expecting any precipitation either, but we will have an even better day than this, believe it or not, and we're going to get a little bit further in time here and show you that. Here's the cold front coming through on Friday. I think you have some increasing clouds in the morning, and then by the afternoon you have some showers moving across the area here. Now the GFS is starting to do something really crazy here with an area of low pressure that is putting across the stalled frontal boundary and putting a decent amount of rain here. I really don't think this is going to be the case. Even has some rain here early Saturday morning. We go over to the NAM though. NAM has a little bit different of an idea. I should say the GFS, what it's showing with the showers lingering on Saturday morning, is also shown in the European model. The NAM is not. It's quick to get this out of here. Here's looking at Friday afternoon on the new NAM, and here you see this is Friday evening, and then this is later in the evening on Friday, and it's already out of here by then. So there's no low pressure that forms along the frontal boundary. This frontal boundary just moves through on the NAM here and moves out. And since this model is more recent than the previous ones, and we are talking about a more progressive system that makes a little bit more sense, we're going to side with no precipitation on Saturday whatsoever, and we're going to have temperatures once again that are going to be soaring this weekend. So we're going to go past this system. We're going to watch this just in case it does linger Saturday morning, but right now I think it does exit out here pretty quickly. And Saturday's going to be a really nice day with temperatures rebounding and getting up into the mid to upper 60s in most locations. And then we get to Sunday, and Sunday is going to be the pick of the week here. Pick of the weekend, I should say. GFS is trying to sneak some precipitation here. I don't think that's the case, though. We're going to have temperatures that are going to be well into the 70s over many areas from east, or at least central and southern portions of the coverage area. We'll get to 70 or above. May get into the low 70s down here again towards the normal, typically warmer areas of Philadelphia, down to Dover and interior South Jersey. And I think that's going to be the pick of the weekend. And the perfect 10-day would be this Sunday. Now Monday's going to be a different story. We have an area of low pressure move that's going to be moving to our north, and associated frontal boundary is going to be moving through. And as you head towards evening, we're going to have some rain move through. Now the GFS is trying to, and some other models are actually trying to develop an area of low pressure along this frontal boundary and send it northward here. So it could give us a couple rainy days into early next week, but it does look like at this time your weekend is still unabated and still not looking at any precipitation over the weekend, and just seeing some fantastic fabulous temperatures. I'm trying to combine two words into one there, into a word that does not exist. Fantabulous. That is going to be a setup of a very nice weekend, and then early next week you're going to have this precipitation to deal with. We're not looking at snow. I know some people have been asking us about snow. A few models and ensembles we're hinting at as this area low pressure moves through. It sucks in a lot of cold air behind it. I do think it gets colder, but we're talking about cold relative to this time of year, so we could get a day or two we were stuck near 50 or maybe into the 40s for some locations, but not looking at snow across this region like some models have been indicating. We'll follow it just in case, but right now that's the call from us, and I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for April 9th, 2014. Have a great Wednesday.